Hey crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. Today we're making a clean and simple card using the new Shamy Stamp Set from CC Designs, the Blast Off pattern paper from Echo Park, and one of the stitch banners from the Sentiment Banner dies from Catherine Pooler. Alright, I've already got my little image stamped out. We're going to go ahead and color him up. We're going to start off with his skin, and I'm going to start off with our shadow color. I'm going to use E13 for our coloring. So I'm going to go ahead and just add in a little bit of shadow under his right hand side of his face, along with his little ears, and a little right there. I'm going to have a little shadow there. We'd have a little shadow on that side of the eye. It's right there and right here, and on that side of the ear. You would have a little shadow under his little nose and chin. We will go ahead and add a little shadow right there, and a little bit on his palms of his hands. Now I'm going to switch over to E11, and I'll blend that entire thing out. So I'm just going to blend that out, that E13. Just add a little bit of color there. Let's blend this right here. His little face. And add a little right there, and then we'll add some right here on that hand and right here on that hand as well. And then I'm going to add just a little right there on that side of his face. Then I'm going to switch over to E00 as my mid-tone. We're going to add a little, blend that out right there. Blend right there. And grab his little neck. And then our last color for his skin is E000. So we'll just grab the right marker and we'll blend that out. See, it happens to the best of us, guys. It's okay. So we'll blend that. Get his little palms colored. Now for his hair, I'm going to go super simple. I'm going to use E29, E27, E25, and E23. And we will start with our darkest color. I'm just going to flick that up from that little sideburn down in his part. Add a little right there in those little swooshes. Also add a little to his little sideburns. And I'm going to give him brown eyes today. So I'm going to come in with my 27, the E27. We'll blend that out. Right there. A little right through there. That part of his little eye. And I will come in with the E25. We'll blend that together. And that will be the lightest part of his little eyes. And then I will switch to E23 and blend the rest of his hair together. And we'll come back and hit his eyebrows. I'm just going to do those, the 29 and the 27. That way that's all done. All right, for his shirt, we're going to use a yellow-green combo. We're going to use YG9, YG7, and YG5. And this is going to be for the base of his short sleeve shirt. So I'm going to add that in. I'm just going to color this whole lantern in the center, that darker color. I'll switch over to my mid-tone, which is going to be my YG7. Add that in there. And then our YG5 will be our highlight color. So we'll just color that. Blend out our 7, and there is our nice little shirt all ready to go. All right, for his other shirt and the shoes, we're gonna color those white. So we're gonna use a warm gray. We're gonna use warm gray 1 and warm gray 0, just so that they're just a little white. There's our shadows. Blend that out with our W1, 0, and on our shoes. And our 0 marker will blend that to the white of the paper. There it says other little shirt. I'm gonna add just a little shadow into that part of our shirt as well. And he is going to be wearing jeans today. So we're going to do B99 as our darkest color of his little jeans. And I picked all these colors from my pattern paper so that they would coordinate, except our brown neutrals and our skin tones. All right, we're gonna switch over to B39. That's gonna be our mid-tone for our jeans. So I'll blend those out. And then we will use B97 as our lightest tone for our jeans. All right, so there is our little guy all colored up. I'm gonna move this to the side and we will start building up our rest of our card. All right, I have a top folding A2 card base. I have a piece of white cardstock, smooth white cardstock, cut at 4 by 5 1/4. That's gonna be our layering piece. Here's our focal panel. I have a matte layer for it, 4 by 2 and 2.5, because this is 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. So that's gonna be that. It's gonna go layered onto that. I have our pattern paper that I picked. We're gonna layer this on first. This is an inch or so. It's gonna go at the bottom. This is the one I picked everything from. And then I picked a little subtle, more subtle blue pattern that we are going to skip a little space. And that's gonna go on here. Just like that. So we have that little gap of our card's front. And then we can trim these off. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and layer this on. Well, actually, I'm gonna wait on that. So I'm gonna decide, I'm gonna pop that up, I believe. We're gonna add our focal panel onto our little matte layer. And he's gonna go on there. Our sentiment's gonna go down here at the bottom. So since we're gonna keep this simple, I'm not gonna pop that up. I'm just gonna attach this down to our card front, our card base. So we'll just line that up. I am gonna pop my sentiment up. And we'll just go ahead and pop him up as well. So I'll stick a couple foam squares behind our image here. Peel those backings off. Add a little liquid glue. We'll pop him right there. I will add foam behind our sentiment. And I'm going to use a foam strip for that. So I can just pop that on. And then we will add our sentiment right there. I'm going to take my black Jelly Roll pen and I'm going to darken up his little pupils. so that they stand out a little bit more. So we'll just darken those up. And I will pop in right there, clean that little right part of his eye up. I'll add some highlights to him. And that, my friends, finishes our clean and simple card design today using the Shamy Stamp Set. If you need any of the products, you can find them all linked and listed in the video description below. I'll see you in the next video right over there. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.